Which has a proportional relationship between x and y with the ratio of 1 to 2.5. So the 1 is going to be our x, our 2.5 will be our y. So first of all, we want to look for 1 to 2.5, that's correct. 2.5 to 1, that's reversed. And 2 to 5, it's a possibility. So we can look at 1 to 2.5 and come over here. So we know that 1 times 2 is going to give us the 2, which is what we're matching here. And 2.5 times 2 is going to give us the 5, which we're matching here. So we know that this is equivalent. So if we're going to come back, do the first one, we know 1 to 2. So to get to here, we have to multiply them both times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2.5 times 2 is 5, so this is correct. And then on the last one, 1 times 3 is 3. 2.5 times 3 is not 8. That's incorrect. So it looks like this is our only possibility. So we know that 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. So this is proportionate. And 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. This is also proportionate. So C is our answer.